Welcome back, everybody. Heyo. It is the Woody Show. It's Tuesday morning, and we have Gina with some clips here. A little game we're going to play. Are you smarter than Gina's stepson?
God, let's hope so.
Yeah, these are all questions these are all things that are taught in fourth grade.
He's in fourth grade?
He's in fourth grade in his fourth grade class. It's, all manner of subjects.
So he's 9.
He's
right?
9, 9.5. And this is all the stuff that they're learning.
Okay.
Or have learned so far.
All right. Now, was he excited? Like, how did you explain? I've tried to get my kids involved in certain things on the show. And they tend to freeze up a little bit.
He was a little, it took some nudging. He was a little nervous because he thought he would have to come in and do it live. And he goes,
yeah.
what if they make fun of me? And I go, not this crew. They're so nice.
Yeah,
they would never.
Yeah. You wouldn't be the one getting made fun of. You're not supposed to know a lot of this. You're only 9.
Yeah, but
fourth grade.
But this is all stuff he has learned in fourth grade, and so he gives the question, and he knows, what's up.
All right. So we're going to hear the question, and then we'll all take our guesses, right?
Yes, exactly.
And then we'll find out what the answer is. All right, here we go. Question number 1.
What type of an angle do the hands of a clock make when the clock says 8:15? A, acute. B, straight. C, obtuse.
Could we,
good question.
Quick preference, could we eliminate the multiple choice? I think we'll get much funnier answers.
I agree, but
out of these two.
It's trying to help.
How about
you might want to use a pen and paper for this.
Okay.
I can picture it.
I'm looking at a clock. I got it.
What type of an angle do the hands of a clock make when the clock says 8:15? A, acute. B, straight. C, obtuse.
Okay. I have my answer.
Me too.
Menace,
Yes.
your answer?
Oh, my answer is C.
C, straight.
No.
Obtuse.
Yeah.
Which was C. I don't know.
Yeah.
It was obtuse.
I take that back. We're doing fine. With the multiple choice.
Morgan.
Obtuse.
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 Obtuse. That's what I put.
But no, because if it's 8:15, that's not acute because it's less than 90 degrees or less than
No, it's
Right.
more than 90
Acute is
degrees.
less than 90 degrees, and obtuse is greater than 90 degrees.
But it's not greater than 90 degrees. That's what I'm saying.
It's not.
Yes, it is. All right, look at the clock.
8:15?
Yeah.
6:15 would be a right angle.
Oh, 6. Never mind. Never mind.
All right.
Off to a bang-up start.
Yeah, so
Woody's
obtuse.
just going to answer him?
Yeah. New game.
But
Yeah.
Seabass is correct because I wouldn't have been able to come up with any of these answers, but
All right.
thank you.
Any of the names of the angles?
Yeah, just pause it next time.
Oh, yeah, we can do that.
Yeah,
We can
that's
do
a good
that.
idea.
No.
All right, so we've all said obtuse then, right?
That's correct,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, that's the answer.
Answer C, obtuse.
Obtuse.
Nice.
Good
job, guys.
Like 1:15 would be acute, for instance.
Right, exactly.
Yeah,
Small piece of pie.
Yeah.
that's what it meant.
For whatever reason, I was thinking 6:15. I was thinking like 2 at
Yeah, you would let it go.
I will say, I
90-degree
am
angle.
surprised school is doing clock face stuff with kids because
Yeah.
most of them can't even
Yeah,
read.
true.
That's
clocks.
true.
All right, so are we smarter than Gina's stepson? Question number 2.
What number is 3/7 of 56?
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
What's the ABC?
3/7.
What's the answers?
3/7 of 56.
Stop there
Get off
learning
your phone, Morgan.
I can't do math on it?
No.
What the hell are you doing?
I can still get it right. I'll still get it right. Watch. It'll take longer.
And that's why the show, like, Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader, is so brilliant because you don't remember this crap.
Hell no.
Hell no.
Wait, I'm trying to think of a situation where I might have needed to figure that out.
Yeah, in life.
Is somebody on the phone?
What number is 3/7 of 56?
She is.
I am, but I'm in my notes because I don't have anything to write down. But I
here.
do think I have the answer.
Here, I'll give you a piece of paper.
All right.
A
I
horrendous
promise I'm not
guess.
cheating. And if you want me to show my work on this math, I will.
Yes, please.
3/7 of 56. 69. I have no idea.
I think that's
How is
safe.
3/7 of 56 69?
Because I don't know the answer. I got to provide an answer.
Yeah, it sounds good.
I don't know an answer.
That's more than 56, though.
I understand that, but
3.1.
it's the funny answer. 69.
I got it.
Oh,
No kidding.
I hate questions like this.
All right. What is your answer, Greg?
I
Wow, really?
I don't even have.
Not
How about
even a guess.
How about 3.14? Even
Oh, yeah.
3.14. Menace.
I like that.
9.
9. Morgan.
Oh, now I'm doubting myself. 2.4.
2.4.
Wait, now I'm doubting myself. I had 21.
21.
I will
Seabass.
Okay, technically Sammy is the closest, but Morgan is also really close.
I'm missing a step.
You times that by 10.
What number is 3/7 of 56?
I know.
So it's 24. I missed the last step.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
That's impressive.
Answer B, 24.
All right. Well, yeah.
Wait,
we
I wrote down 24 and I changed it to 21.
That doesn't count.
I'd have to give that to
What's
you.
56 divided by 7?
You
then
can't give that to
multiply.
her.
Yeah, but that was so
She
good.
said
No, because if you
21.
turned in the assignment with
Yeah.
you thought one thing and crossed
Right,
it out.
and 56, divided by 7. Dang
Yeah.
it.
I told you she was close.
Wait, so how do you figure this out?
So what's 56 divided by 7?
56 divided by 7 something. Okay, go ahead.
And then times 3 is 24.
It's 8 times
Right.
3 is
Times
24.
3.
And then I
That's
got in
really
my
good,
head
you
and I
guys.
thought it was supposed to be the 7 that was times 3, and that's when I changed it to.
Wait, but I
Ah,
did 56 times 3 divided by 7.
You can also do that.
Okay.
It's just easier to do in your head the other way.
God, we're so smart.
You really are.
No, we're not.
No one
Not-
else even
not
had
over
answers.
here.
At least me and Morgan tried.
Good job, Sammy.
All right. Are you smarter than Gina's stepson? Here's the next question.
True or false? A mixture is 2 or more substances that are combined together with the molecules changing.
See, that's
Stop
loving
laughing.
this.
Oh
I
my
love that we got
God.
a true or false.
Yeah, it's
True
50-50
or
chance.
false? A mixture is 2 or more substances that are combined together with the molecules changing.
He's nervous.
All right, that's cute.
Oh, babe.
He's
Adorable.
a good boy.
My gut wants to say true, but do the molecules change is what I want to
Yeah, see,
That's
this
what I'm
is
saying.
all right.
That's what I'm
I just think the same thing. This seems too easy. A mixture of two would be okay.
Yeah.
Got that, but like the extra part of
Yeah, the
molecules.
are they changing? I don't think they're changing. They're just mixed together. So, I'm going to say false.
We're both going
I
false.
think so. Maybe the word he's looking for is a compound is to with the molecules changing. Might be the definition they're looking for. So mixture would be wrong.
Oh. So
Okay.
I say true.
I'm saying false.
You're saying true, Greg.
I wrote true.
True.
I'll go
Morgan,
false.
You're going false. All right, let's find out. Next question here.
Answer false. It's without molecules changing.
Wow,
on that.
menace. Nice.
Boom.
You just gotta think it out, y'all.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like words and stuff.
See, this is where you know they're trying to trick dumb people. So you
Yeah.
go, I'm going to be
Sounds
smarter
good.
than that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Street
got,
smarts.
It's how you played the game.
yeah, right. All right, next question. Are you smarter than Gina's 9-year-old stepson? Here we go.
How much is 5 times 5 divided by 5 times 5?
5 times 5.
Uh-huh.
Then what was the second
Divide.
part?
How much
Divided
is
by.
5 times 5 divided by 5 times
5 times 5 divided by
Now
5
there
times
could
5.
be some trick here because
Yeah.
I feel like he's intentionally not giving us parentheses.
Yeah.
I'm-
Okay.
Parentheses weren't part of the...
I understand.
But it would matter how you do the math if there are
It would.
parentheses.
It would.
Yeah.
So
that's
we're
what I was
assuming no
saying.
parentheses. Yeah, Menace knows.
Yeah. All right. I have a guess.
Okay.
Well, I have 2 guesses,
I mean,
but
yeah.
I'm gonna stick with one.
Feels like half the equation is unnecessary.
0.
I put 1.
Yeah.
1.
0.
Yeah.
Right.
There was no zero
Why?
in the numerator.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I was thinking
Thank you.
25 divided by 25.
Yeah, that's
You're right. I
right.
thought about it that way.
Which is
had
not
the answer
zero.
as 25.
Oh, babe.
25. Because then I also thought, like, okay, 5 times 5, 25.
25.
Right.
Divided by
5 is
5 would be 5. And then
Times.
divided by 5 again.
No, it's
I guess,
times 5 again, I thought.
No.
Yeah.
It's
5 times
time.
5 divided by
by-
5 times 5.
Oh, times 5. See, I
Yeah.
messed up again.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
All right.
I'm with Sammy. I put 25.
Yeah, so 25. In my head, then it would have been 25.
If it's just straight up, yeah.
Because I went
Yeah, if
back
you're
to
doing-
because you
yeah.
divide it again by 5.
Yeah.
0.
In that
Yeah.
order, 5 times 5 is 25.
Right, assuming there's no
divided
special-
by 5 is 5
Right.
times 5 is 25.
So 25.
But if it's 5 times 5 divided by 5 times 5,
Then it's 1.
then it's 1.
Right, that's where parentheses would come into
okay.
play. But again, assuming it's just
Yeah.
as he stated.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then I got it right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We don't know, do
We don't know yet.
Well, let's find out.
Morgan, what answer did you put down?
I'm going 1, but who knows?
1?
Who knows?
Oh, yes.
God, who knows these days?
answer 25.
Yeah, boy.
Is Menace doing crazy well?
Thank you.
Did you guys switch brains, Woody and Menace?
No,
Menace, stay smart.
Woody, you're
Yeah.
stinking this up.
I told you.
Menace, you can totally Happy Madison this thing.
Thank you.
I'm not a smart person.
This is your flowers for Algernon.
Thank you.
Flowers for Algernon.
Shout out to Algernon.
Next question. Are you smarter than Gina's stepson?
What part of speech does the word although belong to? A, pronoun, B, preposition, C, interjections, D, conjunction.
Okay.
Oh, hell
I feel
no.
like you just helped us out a lot there.
No, he didn't.
What part of speech does the word although belong to? A, pronoun, B, preposition, C, interjections, D, conjunction.
I feel like Schoolhouse Rock right now.
Okay.
Think about it.
All right, Menace.
Good
Do
voice for a
process of
9-year-old.
elimination. Yeah.
He's doing well.
Cutie.
Menace.
Yeah.
What's your guess?
C.
Which was what?
Which was what?
Interjections.
Interjection.
I think.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going interjection too, I think. It's
That's
either
what-
that or
yeah.
preposition.
Oh, yeah, I had preposition.
Preposition?
I put
Although-
conjunction.
Conjunction? Yeah, it was between the interjection and conjunction, but my first thought was interjection.
I put
Sounds right.
I put conjunctivitis.
Conjunctivitis?
Yeah, 'cause it's like-
conjunction?
Yes.
Although, dot,
Alright.
dot, dot.
So what was yours?
Preposition.
Preposition. All right, let's find out the answer.
Answer D, conjunction.
Conjunction.
Finally.
Interject to be like, although.
Yeah.
Although, wow,
Yeah, I mean, that's
see?
what I thought it was. I didn't
It could
figure
be.
that. It
Maybe-
made sense to me.
Although,
I mean, possibly. Oops. Ouch.
Let me
well,
propose this to you.
Yeah.
A as an interjection.
yeah. All right, how about this? We're gonna take a break for our brains,
Okay, good.
God.
and then we'll come back. We got a few more that we can do.
Menace is sweating,
So,
but he's doing all right.
yeah, you're
Thank
doing
you.
okay.
I'm
So,
still in the game.
Are you smarter than Gina's 4th grade 9-year-old stepson? That continues after the break here on The Woody Show. Hang on.
The Woody Show. Back in a few. Alt 98.7. LA's new alternative.